can see the father's a little bit upright. Good night, Charles. Dawn. Alright, good night, Laura. I gotta look in the bed. Yeah, sure.
Oh dear.
You know, Larry looks up at the stars and asks why. We can go in a temple. I don't know. Maybe it's okay living without all this.
Oh, I'm hungry. Okay then. You little gunner head, hold on.